We are in TC Condo North. Do a quick video tutorial on the television that's in the living room. Now, I will tell you this, during this recording, it actually happens to be snowing out, and so we had a bit of a signal loss. That means that we have snow on the dish. So what it allowed us to do is watch the stuff that's on the DVR. And so we have a Dish Network hopper box that's got DVR. So I just went through it. It's a fairly straightforward system. And so I just went up to where it says recordings, and there's a bunch of stuff that you can watch that's available. So if you have any further questions while you are here, you can reach out to us. Now, the other thing I do want to indicate, I turned the television on, and up on the on this left-hand side, there's a group of buttons. I don't know if you can see those right there or not, but they're accessible, and I just use that to turn the volume or the power on. So if you're interested in any further assistance, you can reach out to us. Number's 208-634-0030.